Hello friends, welcome to our channel Experts Prime Team. As you all know, here we provide you full analysis video of each and every sports, each and every game. You can see cricket, basketball, football, each and every game we provide over here. Full analysis video is being provided over here. Please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon so that you can get instant notification of the matches we are providing. We provide full analysis video that today we'll be discussing about TUS versus LIO match. This is Pondicherry Siachen T20 player. In this, many of the players which play for various leagues are also playing. Like the players S. Karthik, he is a very talented player. Has also represented the team, various teams in the Ranji Trophy. So I will tell you about each and every player. In wicketkeeper section, we have 4 options, but I will discuss about the 2 players who are playing: S. Karthik and P. Surendran. S. Karthik is opening batsman, consistent performer, has in good form. So must have player. P. Surendran you can try in the league. He's playing 4 down, not that good for a small league. So first of all, let's select S. Karthik. Going by batsman, how many good we have player I will tell you. N. Kangyan, his opening has been good. Talking about A. Kargwe, he's bowling 4 overs, also batting 1 down, but hasn't picked up much wicket. Another last match he was brilliant, scoring 91 runs. Talking about A. Subikson, he has been getting start, also bowling some over in few matches, but throwing his start. Then B. Surendran, you can easily ignore him, he has not done anything great. And Salekar, he's bowled 9 down, he's not a batsman, he's batting 9 down and also bowling 3 overs, 2 overs, but not in each match. And rest, so I will tell N. Kangyan, Kargwe, A. Subikson, these 3 are the best. You can try in Grand League and Salekar. Kangyan, Kargwe and Andrew Subikson. Going to all-rounder section. P. Ratna Parke. He is batting one down. Also bowling some over in few games, not in every game. Has been good. P. Asif, you can take him. Last match he scored brilliant 100. Otherwise he has up and down tournament. F. Ahmed can be tried, batting 2 down. Not done great yet, but bowling some overs also. And last match he took 3 catches. P. Thama Rikannan, he is batting 2 down and has not done anything significant and not a good player, so can be easily ignored. C. Shiraz, he is mostly a bowler, bats 7 down and bowling 4 over in the 3 games he has played. So Ratna Parke, F. Ahmed, good, not that great, and Sivraj. Sivraj is our point player, not selected, but he has played just 3 games and has been performing well and bowling 4 over. In bowling, you can take F. Ahmed if you want, as taken by most of the people. At P. Thama Rikannan, you can take him. In bowling section, A. Matthew, he has been brilliant, bowling 4 overs and continuously picking wickets. Can also be tried as a captain, vice captain in Grand Leagues. Kanan Vignesh, he has been also brilliant, batting 6 down, bowling 4 over. These 2 are the must-have bowler from this side. And third one, I will say S. Udesi, spinner, also plays Ranji Trophy for this side. Good spinners, picking 1 wicket continuously every game. You can also take P. Murugan. He is also very good bowler. 2 games he has played and 1 wicket, 3 wicket he has taken. Rest, if anybody plays, I have given you the full information of the players. Also, the team will be provided to you in our Telegram channel. So please join that channel. There all info is being provided to you. Install our app There you get each and every matches Grand League plus Small League team. I will show the app, which is the best app at the present. No, there is no competition at all. If you install that app, you will love the app. I will show you just now. So in bowling, I'll go with Matthews, Vignesh, and Udeshi. You can very good choices. P Murugan if he plays. I'll go with you. Please look after Fiona. This will be our team. Talking about captain vice captain, we have few options. I will tell you. As Karthik, safe. I am telling you, captain vice is opening and also providing and wicket keeping catches and stumping points. K. Vignesh has been brilliant, batting 6 down, bowling 4 over, and continuously picking wickets. And Kangyan, he has been brilliant, scoring good 86, 49, has been brilliant, getting a start in each and every game. He can be taken as an Karagwe. He's batting 1 down and also bowling 4 over. He can also be tried. But best I will say is S. Karthik because he's experienced campaigner. And next one I will go with K. Vignesh as he's been picking wicket continuously. S. Karthik. So this will be our side. Absonio. This will be our side. You can, I have told you the captain vice captain choices. Go with and Kangyan and Kalwe. You can go easily go. And also for this Grand League captain and vice captain, I am telling you, P. Ratna Parke. He's batting 1 down, has been brilliant, also bowling some overs in few matches. So it 8 run, 2 run, 65 run. So good player. Also A. Matthew, he's batting 5 down and also bowling 4 over. He has just played 2 games. So, and most of the people will not take him. You have taken him small league team. He's a very good player. A. Subikshan, he's batting 4 down, also bowling 1 over. If he get chance to bat much more, then he will score much more runs. A. Matthew, you can try him in. I have told you A. Matthew already. He's bowling. So this is our team. And any changes, any extra bowler or batsman, any player doesn't play, will provide you the full analysis in this app. I want to show you this app. In this app, you're being provided with each and every sports like cricket, football, NBA. Each and every sports team is being provided over there. Let me show you SPB versus BGR cricket. See here, full data with full analysis and full tips and tricks which league you should join will be told here. See, full information, and then you are being provided with the team, captain, vice captain, and every Grand League small team. Last match you could have seen that how good T. Johnson played, bold. If anybody would have made him captain this from this team and Mega Grand League, you'd have been winning one single-handedly. So we are working day and night for you. You can see each and every sports we are being provided, football, NBA. So please install this app. If you are liking our hard work, please subscribe our channel, like the video, and happy winning. Thank you very much for seeing this video.